My dear student, join the physics class. Now, in this session, we discuss about angle of friction and angle of repose. Now, the angle of friction. The angle of friction may be defined as the angle which are resultant of the limiting friction and the normal reaction mixed with the normal reaction. The angle of friction may be defined as the angle which are the resultant, that is the resultant of the limiting friction and the normal reaction mixed with the normal reaction is called angle of friction. So tan theta is equal to BC by OB, as BC equal to OA. So put at the place of BC we put OA, at the place of BC we put POA by OB. So tan theta is equal to Fs by R is equal to mu S, as OA is equal to Fs and OB is equal to the R. So tan theta is equal to Fs by R is equal to mu S is called where mu S is the coefficient of static friction. So tan theta is equal to mu S. Okay, the angle of friction may be defined as the angle which are the resultant of the limiting friction and the normal reaction mixed with the normal reaction. Okay, now the angle of repose or angle of sliding. It is the minimum angle with an inclined plane mixed with the horizontal when a body placed on it just begins to slide down. It is the minimum distance between the minimum angle that inclined plane, then an inclined plane mixed with an horizontal when a body placed on it just begins to slide down. It is the minimum angle that an inclined plane mixed with the horizontal when a body placed on it just begins to slide down. R is counterbalance mg cos theta and it is mg sin theta. The angle mixed in between the sin theta and cos theta is theta. So Fs बराबर mg sin theta and R is equal to mg cos theta. That Fs is equal to mg sin phi and R is equal to mg cos phi. So 1 by 2 Fs by R is equal to tan phi is equal to tan theta, where tan phi the angle of repose and tan theta is the angle of friction. So the angle of repose is equal to angle of friction. Now the work done in sliding a body over a horizontal surface. Now the weight mg is counterbalanced the reaction force. R P is the applied force and Fk is the kinetic frictional force. Now R is equal to mg, work done against friction a moving body through the distance s will be, as we know that W बराबर F into S. So W बराबर Fk into S, or Fk is equal to mu k R and mu k R is equal to mg. So we put Fk is equal to mu k, at the place of R we place mg. So the equation is Fk is equal to mu k R is equal to mu k mg. So W is equal to mu k into mg and S. So the equation is work done against friction moving through the distance s will be W is equal to Fk into S, or Fk is equal to mu k into R. So mu k R is equal to mg. So at the place of R we place mg, so mu k mg at the place, so the work done is mu k into mg s. Now work done in moving a body up at an inclined plane. Work done in moving a body up an inclined plane. So R is equal to mg cos theta, the counterbalances each other. P is the applied force, is equal to mg sin theta. Angle mix in between sin theta and cos theta is theta. The mg is divided into two parts, mg sin theta and mg cos theta. Now the mg cos theta is balanced by the reaction force R, and the mg sin theta is balanced by the applied force P. The mg cos theta is balanced by the reaction force R, and the mg sin theta is balanced by the applied force P. So R is equal to mg cos theta, the applied force is P बराबर mg sin theta plus Fk. Rp बराबर mg sin theta plus Fk. As mg sin theta at the place of Fk, we place and mu k R, as we know that mu बराबर F by R. So at the place of Fk, we write mu k R. So mg sin theta plus mu k R is equal to mg cos theta. From the R is equal to mg cos theta. So mg is common, sin theta plus mu k cos theta, and W बराबर P into S, applied force into S, displacement. So at the place of P, we write mg sin theta plus mu k cos theta into S. It is the required expression for work done to moving a body inclined up. The applied force is P is equal to mg sin theta plus Fk. So mg sin theta plus mu k R, or mg sin theta plus mu k mg cos theta, as mg is common, sin theta plus mu k cos theta. So W is equal to P into S is equal to mg is common, sin theta plus mu k cos theta into S. Now in the next session we discuss about the work done when the body is inclined down, and the acceleration originate in the body when it is inclined down. Till then, goodbye, have a good day. Thank you.